The Ulefone Armor 12S is the 4G version of the Ulefone Armor 12. Ulefone secretly released the Armor 12S and is currently available for just $179, less than $200. But that price will not remain like that forever. If you're interested in buying the Ulefone Armor 12S, then make sure to use the link in the video description. Before doing that, let me quickly tell you the top features of the Ulefone Armor 12S. So the device is powered by the Helio G99 chip, the same chip that powers the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. The Helio G99 is the latest 4G chip released by MediaTek. It is an octa-core chip clocked at 2.2 GHz and it is paired with the ARM G57 MC2 GPU. The Armor 12S also utilizes 8 GB of RAM that could be expanded. An additional 5 GB of virtual memory could be added to the 8 GB of RAM, giving you 13 GB RAM in total. There's also 128 GB onboard storage that could be expanded up to 1 TB using an SD card. The phone flaunts a 6.52-inch IPS LCD display with oleophobic coating, and it ships with the Android 12 OS. The phone weighs just 297 grams. On the right side of the device, there's a power button and volume keys. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint scanner. At the other side, there's a customizable key and a SIM slot. The phone is backed up by a 5180 mAh battery and it supports 18 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. Very nice. The phone is equipped with quad rear cameras, a 50MP primary camera, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro and 2MP depth camera. And on the front, the well-dropped notch houses a 60MP camera for selfies and video calls. The Ulefone Armor 12S is capable of shooting 2K videos. Now other features include Bluetooth 5.0, it supports NFC, it is rated IP68 and IP69K, it features dual super linear speakers with maximum loudness of about 106 decibels, and it also supports face unlock. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor 12S, and like I said, if you're interested in buying the Ulefone Armor 12S, then make sure to use the link in the video description. You can be able to get the Ulefone Armor 12S for just $179, less than $200. What are your thoughts about the Ulefone Armor 12S? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.